In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. A retainer invoice is perfect when you need to collect an upfront deposit from a client before you start work, so the funds are recorded properly and can be applied to future invoices. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share what each field means so you can set it up confidently the first time. Start by opening your Zoho Books account and landing on the dashboard. This home view gives you a snapshot of your finances, but for invoices, we'll move into the sales area. From the left-hand navigation, select Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to customers, quotes, invoices, payments, and credits. Inside Sales, find and open Retainer Invoices. This section is dedicated to deposits and advance payments, keeping them separate from your regular invoices, so reporting stays clean and you always know how much is held on retainer. Now create the document. Click Create New. You'll see a retainer invoice form. First, choose the customer. Make sure you pick the correct contact, especially if your organization works with multiple branches or departments for the same client. Next, enter the retainer amount, the deposit you intend to collect. If you work with multiple currencies, confirm the currency is right for that customer. If taxes apply in your region, check the tax treatment and rates so the invoice is compliant. Set the invoice date and, if needed, a due date. Zoho Books will generate an invoice number automatically, but you can adjust it if your company uses a specific numbering format. Use the reference field for a project code, purchase order number, or an internal tag. In the Notes or Terms section, clarify what the retainer covers, how it will be applied to future work, and any refund or expiry policy. Clear terms reduce back and forth and protect both parties. If your account uses projects or cost centers, select the appropriate association so the retainer reports correctly later. You can also add a brief description line so the client immediately understands the purpose of the deposit, such as Project Kickoff Retainer. Once you've reviewed all entries for accuracy, customer, amount, dates, tax, and notes, click Save. If Zoho Books flags a required field, fill it in and save again. After saving, you'll see the retainer invoice listed in the Retainer Invoices section with its status, amount, and customer details, ready to reference or apply when you bill for actual work. That's it. You've created a clean, professional retainer invoice in Zoho Books, setting yourself up for smooth billing as your project moves forward.